Hello everyone, welcome to the Survey Ape channel.
The reference line staking feature is a tool in the software for staking out shapes of our basic linear lemmates. The four types of linear lemmates include the straight line, circle anchor, transformation curve, and the circle. Next, let me demonstrate how to use this feature to stake out a reference line. Launch the app, navigate to the job interface, and tap on the line staking feature. If you are accessing this feature for the first time, you will need to click the Line Library button in the bottom left corner first to create a new linear element. Let's begin by demonstrating how to create a straight line. The line type can be either a line or 3D line. You can create it by defining it with coordinates or by specifying one coordinate estimate. The elevation of the straight line is uniform, based on the input starting point elevation. For 3D lines, the design elevation varies at different stations according to the slope defined by the user. Two-point line definition is like the coordinate map, stating the line's position using start and end coordinates. One coordinate and then plus slope requires only a starting point. The length direction is calculated based on the user input bearing angle and length. Enter a simple straight line. Once the straight line is defined, go back to the line staking interface. At the top of the interface, you will see the distance from the mirrored point to the start and end points of the line element, as well as the elevation difference. Tap Record, and the software will save the current mirrored point's coordinates, station, and offset information. To stake out a circle, you still need to go to the Line Library. Create a circle. Specify the center coordinates and the elevation, and the inner circle will be based on the center elevation. Then, return to the staking interface to proceed with the staking out. Okay, that's all. In summary, this feature is suitable for staking out individual learning elements. For staking out continuous learning elements, it is recommended to create a new route in the software's projection interface for staking.
If you have any suggestions for our software or video, please feel free to leave a comment below.